You couldn't be in a better location. Gorgeous homes. The large kind, the elegant kind surround you. Welcome to 85 Court Street. You can walk to everything Houlton offers here. The front porch gets used in summer for those evenings out on the porch. This one gets used the rest of the seasons. It's glassed in. You enter a wainscoted kitchen with a pellet stove, with a rear stairway. This home can have an apartment. There are 3 bathrooms. I know, the formal dining room has gorgeous original woodwork. The front formal living room is off the den. It's been made into a bathroom of sorts for someone that was challenged by stairs. We do have another bathroom though, right off this den that has a bay window. Your first floor bedroom if you need it. There's up to 5 upstairs, and there's an attic that isn't finished. There is a stairway to that attic. 2 stairways to the main home. The front parlor has a bathroom in one corner. Ready to go up to the second floor? If you only needed 2 bedrooms for your personal use on the second floor, you've got those, and then there's an efficiency apartment. The front bedroom with a closet. These are all new insulated windows throughout the home. The second bedroom before you go into the apartment zone, if you use it that way. It's big. No eaves to hit your head on. There's a closet. Now we've entered into the apartment zone. If that door is closed. That's a 3rd bedroom if you don't have the apartment, or it's the living room for the efficiency. And there is a demand for rentals. You can get a good classy tenant. One that won't make your house look like Stephen King made a movie there. Another wainscoted bathroom, completely. Wall and ceiling with the old type tub. 3 bathrooms is always a good thing. That's the rear stairway to get down into the kitchen quicker than going through the whole home. And it comes off the carriage house, so your tenant does not go through your home. They come in from one end. This would be the bedroom in the apartment. This is where that door would come out of the carriage house. You could come in through the side porch. You getting all this? I know it's a lot to take in because it's bigger than a 531 shoebox ranch. Overhead storage and one deep lot. This is a carriage house, a barn of sorts. The lot borders Pierce Brook on the back. The driveway is paved. There's a turnaround. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you very much for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. The home is in a great location.